So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, if you already know, we are parting out the cars, and I'm going to be working on the S2000 today. But I'm going to be parting out the S2000. I've already sold the front bumper, and the next thing that got sold was the Olin coilovers. Dude that bought it will be here Thursday to pick it up, so I gotta get it off the car. So let me show you how it looks like right now. Back to the AP1 OEM bumper with the Icon Motorsports front lip. Just to let you guys know. I wish it was authentic OEM, but whatever. Moving wheels and endless brakes are still on, but those are gonna have to come off too, because I have some interest on those too. Side strakes are coming off as well. Also have interest in them. Still have the hard top, still have the wing. Wing is gorgeous. I don't know why no one wants it, but whatever. It's not my problem. Started having issues here, condensation, so I'm probably gonna go get some tail light seals. I think that's the problem. It probably just wore out over time. Same thing, taking these off today. Recaro seat was for sale, but I took it off because honestly, I could use this for the rest of my life on any car I have, so there's no point in selling it. So that's the interior for now. A look at this side again. Man, it looks so funny with this. I kind of like this OEM bumper. So, I don't know. I like it, and I might have to take the wing off to match the front because just a lot going on in the back. So yeah, I'm going to be spending the next few hours in the garage working on this car, getting it right, and I'm probably just going to time-lapse it with my Sony, right there. The A7 III. It's going to shoot in 4K, but I'm shooting this footage right now on my Canon, which is 1080p. So I'm gonna see how this works when it comes to post-production. But anyway, not gonna bother showing you guys how to do things. I'm trying to time-lapse that as much as I can, and hopefully everything turns out okay. But sad day for the S2000, but it's gotta be done. Alright guys, so after a long hour and a half, probably an hour and a half, I'm not really too sure, the endless brakes are off, the front suspension is back to stock, and I threw the gram lights on because I have people interested in the MF10s, so I gotta take that to work and take the tire off. Can't even talk right now, really hungry. So let me just show you how the car looks. Not that nice, so don't bash me for it. Here we go. As you can see, front end is really high, but still gotta work on the rears. Also gotta take the side strakes out because those are pretty much sold, and BBKs, a lot of speculation as well. Just gotta clean them up real well and get it ready to get shipped whenever the time comes. And also the Mugen wheels Here they are. A little dusty, but when I wipe it down and clean them, they look really good. Back wheel's always looking pretty good because it doesn't get that much dust on them. So I still got a lot to do. Got the AC blasting because now it's hot in Florida, so probably gonna be another hour and a half, I don't know, but probably gonna do some more b-roll with the Sony, and hopefully you guys enjoy the footage and see this S2000 of mine go back to stock. 3 hours later, actually probably 4 hours later, I don't know. The rears took forever to get put on. I had to use a pry bar, and like pretty much it was a sketchy situation, prying all the suspension components just to get the strut to line up straight with the lower control arm so I could put a bolt through. It was very sketchy, but I took my time and I got it done. So now look at this ugly stock car. There she is, stock height, on the gram lights with the Bridgestone tires. It's not terrible, actually. It kind of looks battle stance ready. Of course being low would be better, but there's nothing wrong with stock height. You know, I can still rock the car like this for the time being. But side strakes are gone. Everything, but this is essentially everything I took off. These as well, just sold those yesterday, so I have to clean them a little bit and send the buyer some pictures. All in all, I'm a little sad that this car is going back to stock, but I'm hoping I'm able to sell almost everything off of it, with the exception of either the hardtop and the Ricardo seat, because I don't mind keeping those. But everything else, if I can sell, it will be, you know, a big load off my shoulders, because I love this car, it's fun, but I still would like to keep it and drive it on weekends if possible. That's why I'm parting both cars out, because I don't mind keeping the cars, I just want to part out the parts, if that makes sense. Because I don't want these cars to be sitting on expensive parts and I just don't drive the car, or something could happen to it, you know what I mean? Like, I've thought this through for months, and you know, it's just something that happens over time with anyone that have multiple cars. You tend to lose interest in one or the other, or both at the same time, and it's just, it happens. So for now, I'm gonna enjoy driving the car while it's still sitting like that, still sitting super pretty, looking pretty badass, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, that's gonna end this video because I don't know what else I can talk about. If I sell something tonight, I'll post another video tomorrow taking it off or whatever. But for the time being, the moving wheels are pending, and so are the side strakes. They're pending as well. Coilovers are sold, bumper has been gone, and the front brakes, I'm still working it out. A lot of people don't want to spend that money for BBK, but they don't realize, you know, they're worth over $5,000 brand new, and there's probably a 4 month to 6 month wait. Who knows? But I'm trying to work a deal with someone that's reasonable with me and understanding, because like I said, buying Japanese or JDM parts, it's really hard to sell them back if you're in the market with a bunch of people that only know about replicas and, you know, depreciation of anything. So I'm trying to avoid that group of people. I'm trying to focus more on people who understand, more mature enough and respectful enough to not do like, oh, I'll give you 200 bucks for the endless brakes or something stupid like that. Like I said, anything lowballing or trying to get a super discount, I ignore you completely, because I'm not in a rush to sell it, but I like to get my money's worth, or at least what I paid. So we shall see. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Sorry if this video's been kind of boring. It took me forever to take these suspension components off, so I'm gonna record as much as I can for the time that I have with the car. So I'll see you tomorrow or whenever.